Hey guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about lesson 35, okay? So we're going to be going through the whole lesson today. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do, what page you need to be on, okay guys? So now let's get started with our application problem just like we do every single day. So your application problem, you need to get out your math workbook, the one with the blue, and you need to go to page 233. Ooh, that's a big number. 233. 233. 233. I wrote it down right here to you be able to find it. If you need to, you can pause this video to be able to find this page. I'm going to move on, but you can pause the video to where you can find the page first. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to read it. It says the teacher spilled 18 beads on the floor today. A student picked up 17 of the beads. How many beads are still left on the floor? We have to write a number bond, number sense, and statement to share a solution, which is the answer. I'm going to read it again. The teacher spilled 18 beads on the floor. A student picked up 17 of the beads. How many beads are still left on the floor? We have to write a number bond, number sense, and a statement to share our solution, which is our answer. I'm going to read it again, guys. I want you to have your pencil in your hand, and we're going to do cubes as we do this. It says the teacher spilled 18 beads on the floor today. So you circle 18 and then you box in beads. A student picked up 17 of the beads, How many beads are still left on the floor? See the question mark? I'm going to go all the way back. Then I'm going to write a number bond, number sense, and statement to share our answer or our solution. Alright guys, now you're going to turn the page to where you're on the back of the page where you can have the box and the boxes with the circles for your number sense and the lines spelled to write. Okay, so that would be page 234 now that I want you to be on. Page 234. Okay, so go to page 234. Now I'm going to read it again, and in fact before I read it, in that big old box, I want you to draw a number bond. Draw a number bond in this box. We're not going to do a picture. We're just going to do a number bond. Alright, so now I'm going to read it. It says, the teacher spilled 18 beads on the floor today. A student picked up 17 of the beads. How many beads are still left on the floor? We're going to have to complete the number bond, write the number sense, and do a statement to share our solution or our answer. Okay, so first thing we need to do is, does this word problem tell us the whole? Thumb up or down? Does it tell us the whole? Yes or no? Thumb up or down? Yes, it does tell us the whole. Good. It tells us that the teachers put 18 beads on the floor. This 18 is our whole. Let's write that in our number bond. You know Miss Perkins will forget. 18 is our whole. So now, what is the part they give us? Well, we know that the student picked up 17 of the beads. 17 is our part that they give us. So this is how many were picked up, putting a P for picked up, and 18 was how many was spilled. So I'm putting an S for that 18. The part that we don't know, and put a question mark. This is how many are left. So I'm putting an L for left. It's always good to put a little label. This just lets us, kind of reminds us what each part reminds us of or actually is for the word problem or the whole. Okay, so we have to figure out how many were left. Well, let's look at this. 17 they picked up. It was 18 and it was 17 that was picked up. Okay, now we can write a number sentence. Okay, so with this number sentence, we're going to do a subtraction number sentence. So looking at this, we know whenever we're subtracting, it's our whole minus our part equals our other part. Okay, so our whole is what? Right, 18 minus what is the part we know? 17. Good, let's write it. So 18 minus 17. Well, 18 minus 17. So if you have 18 and you pick up 17 of them, how many are left? Well, think about it. 17 is just one less than 18. So if you don't, add 1 more to 17, you would get 18. Or if you would have 18, you would take away 17 from that 18, there'd be 1 left. So 18 minus 17 equals 1. You also can say, because again, this 8 and 7, 8 minus 7 equals 1. If you just take that 110 out of both of those and just look at the 8 and the 7, 8 minus 7 equals 1. And you just add that 10 for the 18 and the 17. So now let's write our statement. It says, how many beads are still left on the floor? Well, how many beads are still left, guys? Tell it to me. Right. 1 bead is still left on the floor. So we're going to write that. 1 bead is left on the floor. Oopsies. And don't forget your period. Alrighty, guys. Remember, anytime that I'm going too fast, you can just pause it to make sure that you stay up with me, okay? So you can always pause it. This is just a video. Now I want you to turn, and I want you to move your flag to page 235. We're not going to be doing that just yet, but just move your flag to page 235. 235. Guys, remember, page 235 to where you will already be there for whenever it's time for that. And then you will close it up because we're going to be going into our other workbook. So now we're going to be going to the other workbook, the one with the yellow. So you got your workbook, the one with the yellow. We're going to do a sprint. Whenever you get out your workbook, the one with the yellow, you're going to go to page 53. Now remember, guys, do not start just yet, okay? Because I'm going to time you for 1 minute, okay? So you're going to be going as fast as you can for this 1 minute answering these subtraction sentences, okay? Make sure you pay attention to the equal sign, okay? Because all of these on this column is good, but then whenever you go to this next column over here, they start kind of becoming backwards. So make sure you're paying attention, okay? Remember, these are subtraction. That means you're taking away, okay? So now, put your pencil in the air. Pencil in the air once you get to page 53. All right, 1 minute. Ready, get set, and go. Make sure you're answering these as fast as you can. You guys are doing great. Keep on going. Alrighty, guys, time is up. Time is up. So now I want you to get out a crayon. Get out a crayon, please, and let's go over it. Number 1 is 0. Number 2 is 0. Number 3 is 1. Number 4 is 0. Number 5 is 1. Number 6 is 0. Number 7 is 1. Number 8 is 0. Number 9 is 0. Number 10 is 0. Number 11 is 1. Number 12 is 0. Number 13 is 1. Number 14 is 0. And number 15 is 1. Number 16 is 10. Number 17 is 9. Number 18 is 8. Number 19 is 6. Number 20 is 5. Number 21 is 6. Number 22 is 9. Number 23 is 9. Number 24 is 10. Number 25 is 7. Number 26 is 7. Number 27 is 9. Number 28 is 8. Number 29 is 8. Number 30 is 6. Alrighty, guys, I want you to check to see how many you got correct and put it in the star at the top, please. Put it in the star at the top. Now remember, you can always pause the video to be able to catch up. Alright, now I want you to turn the page one time, because remember, you're going to try to beat your score. Once you turn the page, you should be on page 55. Page 55, and then have your pencil in your hand and raise it up in the air. Remember, I'm going to give you one more minute. You're going to try to beat your score. That means you're going to try to get more this time than you had gotten last time. Okay? So, you're going to have 1 minute again. Alright, ready? Get set, and go. Alrighty, guys, time is up. Time is up. Get your crayon out, please. Get your crayon out, and let's go over the answers. Remember, guys, whenever you get it correct, say yes, and you put a check. Whenever you do not have it correct, and you answered it, you write the answer that it was. If you do not even answer it, don't do anything with it. Number 1 is 0. Number 2 is 0. Number 3 is 0. Number 4 is 1. Number 5 is 1. Number 6 is 1. Number 7 is 1. Number 8 is 0. Number 9 is 0. 10 is 0. 11 is 0. 12, 1. 13 is 1. 14 is 1. 15 is 0. 16 is 6. 17 is 7. 18 is 8. 19 is 10. 20 is 9. 21 is 8. 22 is 6. 23 is 6. 24 is 7. 25 is 6. 26 is 6. 27 is 8. 28 is 8. 29 is 7. And 30 is 7. Alrighty, guys. I want you to write how many you got correct at the top. Write how many you got correct at the top. I want you to give me a thumbs up if you got more this time than last time, if you beat your score. Give me a thumbs up if you got more this time than you got last time. Awesome job, guys. Let's give the ones that beat their score a round of applause. Great job. Awesome. Now I want you to close up your workbook, the one with the yellow, and if you're in the classroom, I want you to put it back in your desk. If you're at home, I want you just to put it to the side. All right, and let's move on. Let's go to our number talk. Now this is a number sentence, and we have to say if this is true or not, if both of these equal the same thing, which means that they equal the same amount. So let's see. 2 plus 4 equals 1 plus 5. 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? I want you to whisper in your hand. Whisper what 2 plus 4 equals in your hand. All right, guys, let it out. Tell it to me. Good. It is 6. Because 4, 5, 6. Good. 1 plus 5. What is 1 plus 5? I want you to whisper in your hand. Whisper in your hand what 1 plus 5 is. Whisper it, whisper it. All right, let it out. What is 1 plus 5? Good. It is 6. All right. So now 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 1 plus 5 equals 6. So is this true? Does 2 plus 4 equal 1 plus 5? Thumb up or down? Yes or no? Is a true number sentence? Yes or no? Thumb up or down? Yes, it is. Good job. It is a true number sentence because they both equal 6, which means they both equal the same amount. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 5. Great job. Now, let's actually go to our lesson. So our lesson today is about being able to solve subtraction problems involving fives and doubles. Subtraction, remember, is with that minus sign. And then it says that we're going to have subtraction problems whenever we're going to be subtracting fives or doubles. What is doubles again? What is doubles? What does that mean again? Oh, doubles is whenever the parts are the exact same number. Like whenever it was like 2 plus 2 equals 4. Well, now it's going to be subtracting. Whenever it's going to be 4 minus 2 equals 2. The parts are going to be the exact same number. So now, let's remind ourselves of what subtraction is again. Subtraction is whenever there's one big part becomes two smaller parts. So we use that minus sign whenever we're subtracting. Some different things that we say whenever we're subtracting is subtraction, take away, minus, and difference. Difference is an answer to a subtraction problem. Now later on, at the end of our lesson, we're going to watch a brain pop video. Okay? So now, subtraction sentence. Guys, for a subtraction sentence, the whole must be in front of the minus sign. No matter what, the whole has to be in front of the minus sign. Whenever it's subtraction, the whole is the boss. Okay? So the whole has to be in front of the minus sign or the whole will be very upset. So the whole has to be in front of that minus sign. So it's your whole minus your part equals your other part. Okay? So the number left is how much shows the difference, is how much is left. Okay? So just like I said, the important rule for subtraction, that in first grade, your whole will always come before the minus sign when you're subtracting. Because if you have 3 and you try to take 4, you do not have 4 to take. Okay? So it just would not work in first grade. Okay? So the whole has to be in front. Just like how I did here. 4 is our whole. So 4 would have to be in front if you would have 4 right here. Okay? So now, and then you'd better take away 3. And that would be the 1 left. So now, looking at this, I want you to show me 7 using your fingers the math way. So that means you should have 5 fingers on one hand up and 2 fingers on your other hand up. Alright, so I have 7. I want you to take 5 away. Take 5 away. How many is left? Yes. So now let's make this into a subtraction sentence. If I had 7, 7's my whole. 7, take away, how many I take away? 5, good. Equals how many I have left. How many do I have left? 2, good. I had 7, I took away 5 fingers, now I have 2 left. The number sentence kind of tells you a story. Kind of tells you a little bit what's going on. Let's go to another one. So this is like the same one, but we're going to draw a 5-group math drawing. Now, we've been doing a lot of 5-group math drawing. That just means that after we have 5 circles in one row, we have to go to another row. Because once you have 5 in one row, it's full. You have to go to another one. So remember, 7 is our whole. If you know your whole, you draw it. So 7's our whole. Let's draw it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I have 7. I'm going to take away this part, which is 5. So let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to circle how many is left. Well, how many is left? 1, 2. Boom. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Now, watch me as I do this one. 9 minus 5 equals blank. Wow, I can draw my picture. I know that 9 is my whole. So I am going to draw my 9 circles in a 5-group drawing. Remember, that means once I have 5, it's full. I have to go to another row. So now I have 9, and I'm going to take away 5. Circle what's left. How many do I have left? Whisper it to me. How many do I have left? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right. Now, looking at this one. I have to figure out which is the doubles fact. 5 minus 2. I don't remember 5 minus 2. No, I don't remember anything equaling 5. 8. Well, 8, remember, these are the wholes. Well, I remember looking at this, I know that 5 minus 2 equals, if I put 5 fingers, take away 2, there's 3 left. Now, 8 minus 3. If I put up 8 fingers, take away 3, there's 5 left. Remember, we're trying to see if the parts are the same. The first one, it was 2 and 3. Well, 2 and 3 are not the same, so that is not a doubles fact. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Well, 3 and 5 are our parts. That's not the same. Well, let's see about 4 minus 2. Put up 4 fingers, take away 2. That equals 2. Well, look, 2 and 2, that is doubles. So now let's do our number bond. 4 is our whole. So we're right. 4, where the whole is, supposed to go in our number bond. Then 2 and 2 is our parts. So my doubles is 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, that's the addition double sentence that you could do whenever you're doing 4 minus 2. So now, moving on to this one. We're going to kind of do this one together. It says, what is the doubles fact? Well, let's see. 7 minus 3 equals 7. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many is left? 4. 8 minus 4 equals, well, let's see. Put up 8 fingers. 8. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is left? 4. 9 minus 2. Put up 9 fingers. Take away 2. 1, 2. How many is left? 7. Good. Which one is the doubles fact? Tell it to me. Good. 8 minus 4 equals 4 because the 4 and the 4, the two parts are the exact same. Now let's do our number bond. Guys, what is my whole? Good. My whole is 8. Now what are my parts? Good. 4 and 4. Now what is my addition sentence that would go with this? Good. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Awesome. Now, looking at this, let's go to another one. So now this one, I'm going to give you a moment, and I want you to see if you can find which one is the doubles fact. Which one is a doubles fact? If you need more time, I want you to pause the video to give you some more time. And the ones that are in class, if you need to, please pause the video for them so they can figure out which one is the doubles fact. All right, well, let's see. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Oh, well, look. 4 minus 2 equals 2. That is the doubles fact. So we know that 4 is our whole and 2 is our part. So what is our addition sentence? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Good. Now, remember, some doubles facts. What are some doubles facts that we need to remember that will help us subtract easily? I want you to think about it. Think about one in your brain. I want you to whisper me a doubles fact that would be easy to help us with subtracting. Whisper me a double fact. Good. We could do 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And 10 plus 10 equals 20. Now, I know you guys may have not have said all of these, but these are just all of the doubles that we've talked about. Now, guys, remember, we're talking about subtraction, but using these addition doubles can help you with subtraction. Okay, remember they're related. Remember we talked about that a few lessons ago. So, noticing doubles. Doubles can be easy to see, just like in our 5 groups. So looking at this, which subtraction problem is splitting up a double? I want you to look at it. Figure it out. All right, let me see. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 9 minus 2 equals 7. So which one's a double? Ooh, this is 3 and 4, so that one's not it. This one's 4 and 4. Ooh, that one might be it. 2 and 7. Nope. So it's 8 minus 4 is our double. Good. Now, guys, I want you to get your whiteboard, marker, and sock. My friends that are at school, you guys have the sock. My friends are at home, you guys do not have a sock. You have to just get a tissue. Alrighty, guys. On your board, I want you to write 8 minus 5 equals blank. Write 8 minus 5 equals blank. Now, let's draw our picture. Remember, we're going to draw our hole. Well, what is my hole? Tell me what my hole is. I want you to tell it to me. Good. 8 is my hole. I want you to draw 8 circles in a 5-group drawing. Once you have 5, you need to start a new one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then we have to take away 5. Remember that minus sign tells us to take away. So take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle the rest. How many did we circle? Tell it to me. 3. Good. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. All right. Now, this one. 6 minus 5 equals blank. So erase your board. Then let's do this one. All right. What's my hole? 6. I want you to draw it. Draw it on your board now. I want you to do some of this one on your own. So draw your hole now, which we said was 6. So draw 6 circles in a 5-group row. I want you to take 5 of them away. So cross out 5 of them and circle the rest. Let's see if you get what I get. 6 is my hole, so I'm going to draw 6. I'm going to take away 5. I have 1 left. Did you get 1? Awesome. Yes, 6 minus 5 equals 1. Good. So now I want you to look at this. 7 minus 4. 6 minus 3. 10 minus 4. Which one is the double? I want you around your board. Which one of these is showing the double? Right? Which one of those is showing the double on your board? Let's see if you get it right. Ooh, 6 minus 3 is our double because 6 minus 3 equals 3. Good. Now let's do our number bond. I want you to do the number bond for 6 minus 3 equals 3. Do the number bond and show 6 minus 3 equals 3. Remember, what's the whole? What is our 2 parts? Then I want you to do the addition number since it's on your board that matches it. Remember, pause if you need to catch up. So let's see what you got. All right, 6 is our whole. 3 and 3 are our parts. So now you're adding it. Your part plus your other part equals your whole. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good. So let's move on. Oop, another one. All right, I want you to do this one on your own. Write which subtraction sentence is a doubles fact. Draw your number bond and fill it in, and do your addition number sentence to go with it. Remember, guys, you can pause me to where you can finish it. Okay? I'm going a little bit faster because I know that you can pause this video. And we know, and the ones that are at school, the sub can pause the video for you if you need a little bit more time. All right, let's see if you have what I got. Ooh, this one's trying to trick you. Some of you might have did different ones because guess what, guys? These are all doubles. Ooh, Miss Perkins was trying to trick you. Ooh, did I trick you guys? All right, so if you did 8 minus 4 equals 4, you would have did 8 and 4 and 4 is your part. So it would have been 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now, if you did We erase, 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 erase. Now if we did 10 minus 3 equals 3. Sorry, 6 minus 3 equals 3. This is what you've gotten. And now, if you would have gotten 10 minus 5, if you would have chose that one, 10 minus 5 equals 5. So then you would have this. All right. So now, guys, you can put your board marker and sock away. Put your board marker and sock away and get out your math workbook, the one with the blue. Get out your math workbook, the one with the blue. I asked you to get your flag. Asked you to get to your flag. You're going to go to page 235. 235. I'm going to go over the directions for both pages, and then you're going to do it, okay? You are going to do it. All right. So now, I'm going to go over the directions. So they give you the picture for both. So this one, it shows you two number sentences, 6 minus 5 and 6 minus 1. We have to show both of that. So 6 minus 5, you would cross out 5 and write the answer right here. 6 minus 1, just cross out 1 and then write the answer on the line. Okay? You'll do that for the first three. For the bottom two, there is a number bond for each. Well, these two kind of go together, so they kind of go like in the same family. So you are going to have to write the two parts and the whole. I want you to draw your picture as well. So 7 is your whole, so you'll draw your picture, your math drawing. Then you'll do the same thing for this one. There's only one for this one. So do your math drawing with the circles in a 5-group row and do your number bond. Now I want you to turn to page 236. You did not do this other page I just talked to you about yet. I'm going to explain all the directions first, and then you're going to do it. Now this one, you're just going to solve them. Okay? Like, this one, 7 minus 1 equals 5. Well, put up 7 fingers. You know 5 is your part, so take 5 away. How many do you have left? That's what you have to do for that one. Okay? Then these with the number bonds. You have to write the answer in the number sentence. Then you have to write the answer in the number bond. Now these, all you have to do is write the answer, and then you're going to circle which strategy you used. Did you draw a picture to figure it out, or did you know it was a double? Which one did you do for each of those? Okay, so now I want you to go back to page 235. My friends that are in class, I want you to do the first page, then turn the page to page 236, which is the back. And then I want you to do the back. Okay? Whenever you're done and you're waiting, you're going to go to Reflex Math, the one with the R leaf. The ones that are at home, you're going to do the front and the back. And then I want you to do a few minutes on Reflex Math. Okay? Then you're going to come back and we are going to go over it. Okay? So if you're at home, pause it now. If you are at school, the sub will pause this video for you to where you will be able to solve these on your own. Alrighty. I'll get to work. Alright, guys, let's go over this. So let's look at this one. 6 minus 5 equals blank. Well, they already give us 6. We take away 5. Circle the rest. Up, 1. 6 minus 1. We'll take away 1. How many is left? 5. 8 minus 3. Well, let's take away 3. Circle the rest. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 5 equals what? Up, let me take away 5. How many is left? Up, 3. 9 minus 4. Let me take 4 away. How many is left? 5. 9 minus 5. Let me take 5 away. How many is left? 4. No, guys, I forgot to tell you, but you can get out your crayon, a crayon, to where you can check your work. Now, let's look at this one. It says make a math drawing, and then you're going to do your number bond. So 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away 5. Circle 2. So 7, 5, and 2 are my parts. Now If you want to, you could draw a picture for both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away 2. How many is left? 5. Now this one, 10 minus 5. Whoopsies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 5. Circle the rest. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. This is a double because your parts are the same number. Alright, turn the page. Let's look at this one. 7 minus 5 equals blank. Visualize your 5 groups to help you. So visualize that picture. So 7, cross out 5. How many is left? Ooh, 2. 9 minus blank equals 4. So I'm going to visualize my 9. We're in a 5 group row. So that means you should have 5 at the top, 4 at the bottom. Cross out those 4, there'll be 5 left. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. And 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now this next part you had to just complete the number behind. 4 and the number 6. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. 7 minus 3 equals 3. Ooh, these are both doubles. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Up, another double. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Another one. Again, 8 minus 4 equals 4. These must all be doubles. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Again, all must be doubles. Now let's look at this one. 7 minus 5. Well, if you need to draw your picture, you could. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Remember, check your work. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Alrighty, guys. Now, I want you to just put your crayon away. And now let's move on. Guys, remember we're talking about being able to solve subtraction problems whenever we have 5 or doubles. So now your ExTicket is not going to be in your workbook. Okay, it's going to be separately. So the sub, if you're in class, is going to pass out the ExTicket to you. If you're at home, your parent should have printed this out for you. If not, just write these on a blank sheet of paper. I want you to solve these now, please. Solve these now. Whenever you're done, we're going to go over it. And if you're done and waiting for us to go over it, while you're waiting for everyone else, get out your Chromebook and work on Zern. My friends that are at home, you could just pause it and then you'll do Zern after the ExTicket. Alrighty, guys. So now, let's look at this. We're going to go over the answers. 10 minus 5. Oh, that's 5. Remember, you can always have drawn pictures if you need to. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Alrighty, guys. That is it for this lesson. I will be seeing you guys for a science lesson in just a moment. But first, I want you guys to do Zern for a little bit. And then you're going to do your science. And then you'll probably do Zern a little bit after science as well. Okay, remember Zern is with the Z. Okay? Alright, guys, I will see you in just a moment.